Welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example, most important example in the first video, 2 multiply 3 minus 2 plus 3 divided by 5. So, how to solve this? First, when we apply the Bodmas rule, okay. So, first we will doing the multiplication. So, here first in this situation we first simplify the multiplication. 2 multiply 3 is 6. Okay, 2 multiply 3 is 6 minus 2 plus 3 divided by 5. Okay, and now 6 minus 2. Here in this situation first we simplify left to right. Okay, so apply left to right when addition and subtraction only include the question. 6 minus 2 is 4 plus 3 divided by 5. Okay, 4 plus 3 is 7 divided by 5. When we solve 7 divided by 5, we are getting the answer 1.4. This is the final answer of this question. This question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.